experience of boxing with Amir Khan?
Very cool experience. I actually boxed with Amir.
So, how was the experience of boxing in virtual reality with Amir Khan with the Tesla suit and feeling the punches?
I felt the punches really hard. So there is a tingling feeling on the arms as well, but the stomach area is the strongest one. So you really feel the punches to the stomach as well. Alhamdulillah, the overall experience is good. You can see me sweating, so that means it was intense.
Awesome, thank you so much.